Hello, I'm Kristine and welcome to my art stories. Today I show you this portrait, Girl with a Pearl Earring or Girl with a Turban by Dutch painter Johannes Vermeer, probably finished around 1665. Vermeer lived in Delft, Netherlands, and he made a living of painting ordinary scenes from ordinary people's lives, very often in interior scenes. Well, this is different because it's only a portrait with a dark background. We don't know anything about her, who she is, what she's doing, why on earth he chose to paint her that way with this strange hairdress, which was not at all normal for people in Netherlands at the time. Well, we are not sure, but we think this was what we call a tronie, a study where he has played around with clothing, with headdresses, and tried a new pose. We don't know that for sure, but that's what we think. I have another idea as well. I think personally that this is sort of a remake of an Italian portrait painted a few decades earlier, but that's another story. Anyway, this portrait became famous when author Tracy Chevalier wrote a book named Girl with a Pearl Earring. The book is wonderful, and the movie made from it is a beautiful, understated, I would almost say, study in Vermeer's paintings. But keep in mind, it's fiction. We don't know her identity, this girl, at all. We don't know why he painted it, who she was, or anything at all. We know a little bit about Vermeer, about his life, that he married, had around 12 children, and lived in the house of his mother-in-law. But this painting is very mysterious. If you want to see it in real life, you'll have to go to the Netherlands, to the Hague, then Haag, to Mauritshuis, a beautiful, beautiful museum, not that big. I love it. I've been there many times. And I also wanted to say, because this painting has really lived its own life. It's called the Mona Lisa of the North. Some call it the Dutch Mona Lisa. And it has been used in multiple reproductions and often made fun of also. And people try to understand it, to explain what's going on. Why is she looking at us that way? And it's not that easy to get it. Is she smiling? Is she trying to say something? Or is she trying not to cry? We don't know that. And I think it's important, sometimes at least, to let the mystery be mystery. We don't have to understand everything. We can try to, I don't know, come up with an answer within ourselves. What does she make us feel? What do we think about when we see her gaze? It's almost like she's looking straight at us or straight through us. And I really think it's okay to let art be mysterious. Just let the mystery live. Anyway, that was my comment to Girl with a Pearl Earring by Vermeer. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.